It's Mr. Jiraiya, 10 days old. Say hi. What you doing, huh? Say, just kind of look around. Huh. And sleep a lot. What you think? Hmm? What you thinking about? Let's get a look at you. Hmm? Let's get a look at you. I think he's already grown some since he left the hospital. Look at those little feeties. What you think, huh? Oh, you're such a sweet baby. Yes, you are. You're such a sweet baby. Doesn't really do a whole lot. Does seem to smile a couple times. Doesn't cry a lot. Hi. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you again. I better bundle you back up. Say bye-bye.